In this session, let us learn about Java method scope. Java scope. In Java, variables are only accessible inside the region they are created. This is called scope. Method scope. Variables declared directly inside a method or variable anywhere in the method following the line of code in which they are declared. See the example. See here, code here cannot use x. Code here can use x. See here, system output x. Here, integer x is equal to 100. The result was 100. Block scope. A block of code refers to all of the code between curly braces. Variables declared inside blocks of code are only accessible by the code between the curly braces which follows the line in which the variables are declared. See here, inside the curly braces, code here cannot be use x. This is a block. Code here cannot use x. Integer x is equal to 100. Code here can use x. See here, the block ends here. The code here cannot use x. See, curly braces ended. See, the result was 100. A block of code may exist on its own or it can belong to an if, while or for statement. In the case for statement, variables declared in the statement itself are also available inside the block scope. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 20, Java method scope. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java method recursion. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.